Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. On that day, after meeting with Abhishek's mom, she left for work. Me and Abhishek, we were left alone at his house. Ce jour-là, après qui mon zuen Abhishek so mama, l'in sorti pour al travail. Moi, avec Abhishek, n'en reste tousel lakaz. Abhishek showed me around his house, especially his room. Many emotions were dwelling in my heart that I could not express. Abishek in montrez-moi sur lakaz, spécialement sur la chambre. Beaucoup d'émotions typées passé dans mon leker. Kout, mon parti kapav, exprime moi-même. Once we were alone in his room. In a swift, he held my waist and started kissing me in my lips. My heart started pounding fast. Pour une fois, quand m'étais tout seul sur la chambre, un seul coup l'in trappe mon lerein et que l'in commence embrasse-moi dans la lèvre. Mon leker ti commence bat vite. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.